What does it look like when Monty eats? Well, let's find out. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining me as we watch how Monty, the snake, eats his rat. Monty is a ball python, and here I slowed down one of his strikes. His coiled neck allows him to reach forward. He tracks the prey as it moves, and then quickly he strikes. He wraps around the prey and begins to hold it tight. Grabbing it behind the neck ensures that he's less likely to be bitten. As he's holding onto this prey, he squeezes, making it difficult for the animal to breathe, and eventually it suffocates. Once that happens, it's going to be chow time. Monty swallows his prey head first. He works his way from one side to the other and can consume rats that are the size of his body at its widest space. Monty works from side to side, all the way down the prey, in order to swallow it whole. Snakes have an extra elastic ligament in their jaws and two lower jaw bones, which allow them to wrap around their prey as they swallow it whole. Snakes' teeth are not adapted for chewing so much as for holding on to their prey as they swallow it, and they work from left side to the right side up the prey's body in order to get it down into their stomach. Sometimes when a snake feeds, the prey that it has captured and killed and is beginning to consume is larger than its body can stretch. When this occurs, the skin breaks or rips, and you see a little bit of blood. You can see that on the bottom of this snake as it feeds. The prey was just a little bit too big. But fear not, that will repair itself and will be good as new within the next shed. You can see how wide open the mouth here on the snake is able to be. As it eats this rat, it can open up almost 170 degrees with its jaws. It takes a bite with one side, and as that side grabs a hold, it moves to the other side, slowly working the prey down into its belly. A special tube underneath where its tongue would be in our mouth allows it to breathe while swallowing prey. The whole rat has got to go down. In order to do this, they have to move around and work their way all the way through the body, head first all the way down to the tail. As the rat is swallowed, the snake uses its muscles in its body to maneuver that down its esophagus and into its stomach. Once the meal has been consumed, some vital organs increase in size in order to process that food more efficiently. Here you can see is that the muscles are used to expand and contract and push the prey down towards the stomach. You can see how much the scales have split apart. Snakes can't just slurp down the tail. They've got the whole rest of the body right there in the way. So just like everything else, it's got to go down the same way, nice and slowly. Yum. Check out that noodle hanging out of my mouth. Many times the snake will straighten up their neck in order to make it easier to swallow what they've already swallowed, essentially pushing that prey all the way into their stomach, much more efficiently. I think it's so cool watching the body move that prey down through it. You can see the waves of the muscles pushing it down into the stomach. Commonly, snakes go hide after they've fed. That allows them to stay safe while they digest their meal. Thanks for joining me. Really appreciate the cicadas for letting me use their music. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out more videos coming soon.